Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is day number 7, I think. Let's take a look at this calendar here. Yeah, day number 7. And it is the presents is the theme, and so I am using the new presents cut file that she has released from Virginia from Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, and I backed it. So what I had to do is that I have to start combining some of my collections. So I ended up getting some pages from Photoplay, and they were in a kit, and I'm like, I don't really want to do just this kit. So this is going to be my background piece, and then this is going to go in there, and then I backed, these two papers are from Close to My Heart. This paper is one of the smaller papers left from, I needed a red, and this red matches everything, from Warm Wishes, which was Vicki Boutin's collection last year. And then I decided that this here one is my presents that I backed. And then I decided to pull out the Four Seasons, the winter, from Close to My Heart. And the reason being is when I go like this, and you'll see why. I guess I used that paper already. So if I flip this over, this is the one side. And yep, I did use this. And then this is the other side. And it matches well with like my theme kind of going on here. And so I am putting these together, and then I do, oh, there's my page. See, I knew I had it. Yeah. Let's be real and let's get this put together, because that's how Miranda does. And then I've got these colors going on. So I think what I'm going to do is that this green, which is pine, I am going to make that my background piece, because I really like, it's a Christmas tree. So I'll make that my background piece. And then these are my two photos. Now, if you've been following me along on my social media accounts, you will know what this is. I can't explain this, but it's on there, and it's a tradition that my family has been doing since my daughter's been a baby, or have known how Santa Claus comes to my house and how Santa Claus comes. So this is a tradition, and this is part of the gifts, and these are the gifts that she got, and then these are essentially what it is, and then Santa's footprints are right there. So that is what this is all about. And I did pull in this collection, which is the Warm Wishes, because I've got quite a bit of ephemera left, and I wanted to pull this in so that I can keep working on some of my other layouts. So let's see what I can do with this. Okay, before I get going, I forgot to tell you guys this. I am going to follow my sketch, one of my sketches. This is sketch number 2 in the sketchbook. It is linked down below as well for you to purchase. This is just one of the 10, and that is what I'm going to follow along. So I won't be pulling this in. This is just something that I wanted to use. There's the cut file, and hence the reason why I pulled this out. So if you're wanting more inspiration on this, you have to go to my page and purchase. Now let's see what we can do. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I sped this up as I am using a sketch to pretty much follow what I'm doing. And I follow it pretty closely to what the sketch is. So I did use the Christmas collection that is from Close to My Heart, and it's the winter one in the main catalog. And that's what I use most of the stickers from. And then I do go in and pull the collection of Merry Wishes from Vicki Boutin for some of the little presents and stuff that are in the embellishment that's like left in the kit that I have. Now, I was able to, through Black Friday, get more of the papers so I could kind of keep going with this collection, just because I have quite a bit of photos left of Asheville, so I didn't want to use too many from this collection. But the one thing that I will say with the collection that I am using right now, with a little bit of Photoplay, I just have the papers, so that is essentially all I could use for that collection. And then when it comes to the Seasons collection that I'm using from Close to My Heart, it's only got one little sticker pack, and there's not very much like Christmassy stuff on there because it's more winter based, but I wanted the color tones. As you can tell, the colors match up really well with the presents, and and then I pulled in that red from Vicky Boutin so that it matches when I start to pull in like the embellishments. I wanted to make sure. So as you can tell here, this is what I was talking about, that there isn't a lot of stickers on here, but you're only made to get like maybe 1 or 2 layouts with this collection versus like when you get like the workshop. So these work really well if you're wanting something to match and just kind of throw in with a theme or throw in with those collections. These would be the collections you'd want to get from Close to My Heart. So that is what I'm working with there. And obviously the Presents is Present Stack 2. So this is her second series to her stacked present cut files. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. She does have her shop on sale right now through the 19th of December. That is because she is over in the other side of the world. And so she is a day ahead of us. So it goes through the 19th. That is 25% off. And that is in everything except for the bundles or the classes, the classes and her commercials license. So I'm just going through and I'm trying to make everything match up. So what my title is going to be here is Twice the Night Before. And that is going to be my title because we don't put out, our tradition is that our gifts don't get put out until the night before Christmas. Like all of them. My tree is bare up until then. I don't keep anything out. I leave it all tucked away and then I pull them out at the same time that Santa Claus brings her gifts. And then she will see what is from Santa Claus and then she sees what's from us every year. And that's how we do it. And then the other photo is a tradition that Santa Claus makes sure that he leaves his footprints so that she knows that he was there. So that is exactly what that is in that the true black and white one. And now I'm just placing everything down. Make sure that you go and check out Confessions. Make sure that you also check out my shop. Everything is linked down below. Also, make sure you check out my group because I am starting my monthly virtual crops in January. And I want you to be part of the group so that you can be able to tag along and do all of that fun stuff. Now, I'm just slowly finishing up this. I do come in with my black splatters. I do actually do up all of the papers so that you can really see the edging of everything because it's such cool color tones for the layout. So that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.